Stephen Colbert sort of pointed out some of the dangers and some of the fears that I think for regular Joes like me that they have around the use of drones, unmanned aircraft systems. Take a listen.
Folks, these Amazon drones are a great idea and guaranteed to be safe thanks to all the drone testing we've done overseas. I mean, worst case scenario, a few homes get carpet gifted with some collateral generosity.
Talk about that, if you will, Missy. How safe are drones? Where are we in terms of that technology? People fearing that these things could fall out of the sky and hit you on the head or hit your dog on the head or whatever it is. Talk a little bit about that.
Well, I think in general, we achieved a real safety milestone about a year ago when it became safer for the U.S. military to send drones on bombing missions as opposed to manned aircraft. So today in the military, currently, drones are safer than manned aircraft in doing those missions. Now that's in the military. We're not quite there yet in commercial applications. There's still a lot of issues. I think that one of the biggest ones that Amazon and other small companies face is battery life. Power. These are electrically driven, and their battery life simply is not that long. And especially in bad weather conditions, high wind, and these things really, in bad weather with rain and sleet and snow, they're simply just not robust to that right now. That's not to say that they couldn't be. And one of the really important aspects of this whole announcement is now that people understand that this is a serious application, I think we'll see a lot more money go into the research and development of these technologies to make them safer.
And Michael, we've also seen a lot of money going to lobbying folks on the Hill. Could you give me a sense of what sort of the politics on the Hill are? There's a drone caucus. I think something like $8 million over the past 4 years has gone to these folks on the drone caucus and lobbying the Hill.
There's actually 3 caucuses. There's 2 on the House side and 1 on the Senate side. And these caucuses are actually gaining more membership to them because of the economic impact and the potential that these systems bring. So as Missy identified, they are going to be safe, otherwise you won't be able to use them. And just like with an automobile, you have to get the car inspected and certified, you have to get the operator through some sort of training. The same thing is going to be true with UAS. There's going to have to be a certification that the platform is airworthy. You're going to have to certify that the operator knows what he's doing. And you may also have a certification of the operational environment. So for whatever the mission you're going to accomplish. So if you understand that you're going to use these for precision agriculture, you understand the boundaries of which you're going to fly over the fields. And so therefore you can say, okay, this is where I'm going to be operating the system. I can tell you there's only like a half a dozen people that are in that particular area. And I can tell you that the air traffic normally below 400 feet is this. So I can assure you that for the most part, it's going to be a safe operation. And that's what you should be able to do for all the systems that we're going to be flying, especially in the beginning where safety is paramount. Safety will always be paramount for any unmanned system.